up out of bed and wave to my homegirls. Hey Bobby, hey, she's so cool. All dolled up, just playing chess by the pool. Come on, we got important things to do. It's her and her and me and you. And pink goes with everything. Beautiful from head to toe. I'm ready to go. You know, it's pink. Good enough to dream. We like other colors, but pink just looks so good on us. What you wearing? Dress or suit?
My name is Asim Rastogi. I'm an assistant director of admissions as well as our girls varsity head basketball coach.
My name is Mary Lassie and I'm in the college counseling office.
My name is Rashka Matthews and I will be joining the middle school science department.
My name is Kelly Reingout. I am in the college counseling department.
Hi, I'm Ginny Naughton. I will be working in the English and history department, so humanities department.
My name is Mrs. G and I'll be in the English department and I'm also the international student coordinator.
My name is Travis Benoit and I am in music.
My name is Rachel Leggett and I am part of the visual and performing arts department.
Guillermo Arce, middle school PE teacher.
I am Kat Mendez and I am in the upper school Spanish department.
I am Matt Ryan and I am the theater teacher for the upper school.
Why have I joined WORCESTER Academy? What's my interest in it? I would believe and I would very sincerely say it's your affiliation, your interest, and your actions towards diversity and inclusion. Being a South African, it's something that I relate to firsthand. So I am so proud to be joining an organization that gives lots of interest into this field.
Why WA? Because I am a Worcester lifer and this is just another level of completing the Worcesterism which is brewing inside of me.
I had an opportunity to have some of the students interview me during my interview, which I loved because they are the reason that we're there. And they were passionate about the school. And if the kids going there can be passionate, then that makes it a lot easier for us to be passionate as well.
WA was not even on the radar for me, and then when I applied for it and I met all the amazing people here, and I was like, man, this is the place for me. I don't know why I ever doubted it.
I came to WAA because I was really excited about the job that was posted, and I have very strong ties to the city of Worcester. I've worked in the city for about 25 years and I'm excited to be part of the community.
Because it's an amazing school and that is really, really popular with the sports too and the academics, and that is it's also a very diverse school.
Well, I've been coaching here I'm going into my 12th season coaching.
I'm really excited to be in a city that's not too big, close to beautiful places, and getting to spend time on this gorgeous campus with all of you.
I chose WORCESTER Academy because it's close to my home, close to my family, and I wanted to be part of a small, tight-knit community.
I was born in Hartford and so I love New England and I really like the city of Worcester, and this place is great. I like it so much so far, so hooray!
Because when I stepped foot on campus here, everybody was so invigorating to be around. Students, colleagues, everyone. Like the whole place has just felt alive with energy, and I was like, that's how I would like to spend as much time as I can.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why?
I would love to teleport myself so I can go anywhere that I want, anytime.
If you were a dessert, what would it be and why?
If I were a dessert, I would be tiramisu because it's fancy and Italian and decadent, so me.
You could be any animal. What animal would you be and why?
Hippopotamus, because I find them fascinating. They are huge creatures, but they are fast and they can float. And you also hear that weird statistic where they're like, oh yeah, they're like the most dangerous animal in the Serengeti, which you go, really? They look so cute. I find them to be absolutely fascinating. And when evolution was happening, they're like, I don't know, just throw all the extra stuff on the hippo. So I think that's great.
What was the last gift that I gave somebody? It was a handbag that we gave to a member of our choir here in Milwaukee. She's an elderly individual, and we just loved her and wanted to share some happiness with her. So it was for no particular reason, we just bought her a handbag.
What color crayon would you be and why?
I would be blue because it's my favorite color.
Which 3 famous people would you invite to a dinner party?
I would probably say Dante of Dante's Inferno, or of the Divine Comedy, I should say. My grandfather. Oh, they have to be famous or no?
Do 3 people.
Okay. So I don't want to choose another writer. I've already gotten a writer in there. Gordon Parks.
What's the theme song that should play when you walk into a room?
Thunder by AC/DC.
What 2 non-essential items would you want if you were shipwrecked on a desert island?
I am going with chocolate peanut butter ice cream and my latte machine.
If you were a tree, what kind of tree would you be and why?
I would choose the quaking aspen because I love to go backpacking out west, and they're really beautiful when they turn bright yellow.
What's your favorite song from when you were a teenager?
Fuel by Metallica, but only the live version with the San Francisco City Orchestra.
What would the title of your biography be?
What just happened?
So my party trick is leaving the party early to go hang out with my dog.
Why did the chicken do jumping jacks?
I don't know why.
Because he wanted scrambled eggs.
I love painting, and I love being in the outdoors.
A basketball and baseball mom, and can somehow be in lots of places at the same time.
I don't know if this is really a party trick, but I'm really good at puzzles. Like, give me any kind of jigsaw puzzle. Wood pieces, big pieces, small pieces, one color, a picture, I can do it. And I will sit there until it's done.
I can put the host into a sleeper hold or suplex.
My party trick would be atonally overtone singing.
What's round at both ends and high in the middle?
I don't know what.
Ohio!
That's 12. Yeah.
Played the banjo, but I wouldn't say I'm very talented at it, but I like it. Hanging out in the back and kind of pretending that I'm playing and stomping my foot and feeling cool.
So, what did the buffalo say to his child when they were checking into Worcester Academy for boarding?
I don't know.
Bye, son.
And pink goes with everything. Beautiful from head to toe. I'm ready to go. You know, it's pink. Good enough to dream. We like other colors, but pink just looks so good on us. What you wearing? Dress or suit? Either way, that power looks so good on you. Hey, Barbie, I like your style. If that was really a mirror, you see a perfect smile. Round and round and round and round and. That's my Barbie. Go Barbie, go Barbie. That's my Barbie. That's my Barbie. Go Barbie, go Barbie. That's my Barbie. Come on, we got important things to do. It's hard.